Your point of view is what makes you unique. But what if I told you that everybody, including you, had the same point of view, just at different periods in your lifetime? So in this video, I'm going to be using a pendulum to explain all the different times and different points of views you had. Starting with the child point of view. This point of view is best described as the learning state because we as children are growing and learning. And since we're trying to know what's going on in the world around us, we ask a bunch of irrelevant questions to understand simple mechanics or simple items in our everyday life. Now, looking at this through a pendulum, first imagine just a singular ball dangling from a string. This ball is you as a child. It is all your creativity, all your thoughts, all your questions, all in one ball. But as you grow older, this ball separates into 2 to 3 more balls, starting the pendulum process. And as you grow older, you start to comprehend what's going on and know different things and learn new things. And so, as you go into your teenage and young adult stage, less questions occur to you, and you lose your creative thinking and your curiosity. So, your one ball turns into 3 to 4 balls. The first ball is you. The second ball may be your school. The second ball may be your everyday activities. But the fourth ball is your creativity and your curious mindset. You have gotten further away from that. But the sad truth is that you get further away from your childhood thinking as you go into your adult stage. You begin to learn new things, how to take care of taxes, how to do a job, and you have completely abandoned your creative and curious childhood state because those balls, those 2 to 3 balls in the middle, have expanded to create 6 to 5 balls. Now, instead of a creative mindset, you have a present day mindset of concentrating on the stuff that is most important in your life. But then why is it important to learn and regain your childhood mindset? Well, your childhood mindset is very valuable to come back to because it helps you atta- talk to and relate to the younger generation. And it also is just very, it is just a very cool mindset to be in. And if you want to continue the journey with me at looking through the world as through the childhood mindset, then this video over here may be the right video for you to watch next.